Do you ever heard about OMG cable? It's just an ordinary unmarkable USB cable. Or that's what a cybercriminal would want you to think. The OMG cable is a hackathon masquerading as a USB power cable with a secret built-in Wi-Fi chip. This man, nicknamed MG, is the creator of this cable. MG claims that his intention was to use the OMG cable in a legal and controlled environment to promote security research and education. Ultimately, aimed to enhance overall cybersecurity. However, some criminals use this cable for nefarious purposes. For most people, though, the threat of being targeted is very low. The price of this cable is about $179.9. So, this is definitely a tool for professional penetration testing, rather than something a low-level scammer could afford to leave lying around the hope of snaring a target. But it's a good reminder that anyone with access to sensitive information should be careful with what they plug into a computer, even with something as inaccurate as a cable. And finally,